Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we have first online class of English in which I'm going to give you detailed introduction about how to start your English notebook and about your new book as well. On your screens you can see this is your English book of class 7 which you have to buy. As you know that your new session has been started, your books and notebooks must be with you. Now move on towards the notebook. First I will tell you how to fill up the card cover of your English notebook. As you can see a stamp on your notebook. First you will have the heading serial number. As you don't know your serial numbers, so don't write it, just leave this line. Then you will write your name with the only first capital letter and rest of the letter will be small. Next is class. Here you will write 7 and in front of section write your section whatever you have. Next is subject. Here you will write English A plus B and in the bracket you are supposed to write C work plus homework. Now move on to inside the card cover. Again you will not write your serial number. Here as well write your complete name. Skip the line, leave the line of the serial number and write your complete name, class and section, your subject English A plus B, branch Girls 2, session 2021 till 22. Leave the remaining blocks. Now listen very carefully. You will have to start your work from very first page. As you fill up the card cover, after that from the very first page you have to start your work. Do not leave any page. On your screen you can see the picture. Now you will write the course content in the neat notebook. Your page should be blocked properly with the black marker. Lines should be straight and neatly drawn. First letter of main headings should be written in 2 lines and rest of the letters in 1 line as you can see on the screen. Kindly must follow the given instructions and closely see the screen. Now I will explain the course content which you have to write in the neat notebooks according to the given instructions. Course content English A, units 1, 3, 4, 8, 10. Poem unit number 2. English B, the same units will be repeated here. Unit 1, 3, 4, 8, 10. Poem unit number 2. Tenses. All aspects of the present tense, present indefinite tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. Parts of speech, noun and all kinds of nouns. Adjectives, pronoun, preposition. Voices, perfect tense, past perfect and present perfect. Narration means that direct indirect speech. Reporting speech, simple present plus simple past. Reported speech, past perfect plus present perfect tense. Letter and application, anyone on the teacher's choice. Proverbs 10. Pair of words, 6 pairs of words will be done. Composition, when I was lost. Number 2 is importance of education. Number 3, a dedicated student. Number 4, importance of sports. Number 5 is Qaid-e-Azam. Then stories, honesty is the best policy. And all that glitters is not gold. It was all about our course content. This all you have to do in the neat notebooks according to the given instructions. Do your work very neatly. Okay. Now we have to start our unit 1, Antarctica and the South Pole, page 4. So you all must be having your books and pencils in your hands as well. Open your books, page number 4, Antarctica and the South Pole. Antarctica is actually a continent. There are 7 continents, as you know very well. Number 1, Asia. Number 2, Europe. Number 3, Africa. Number 4, Australia. Number 5, North America. Number 6, South America. And 7th one is Antarctica. Antarctica is the last continent to be discovered, and it was discovered in 1820. It is classified as a desert because very little moisture falls from sky there. It is called the largest cold desert of the world. This is the reason. South Pole. What does the South Pole means? South Pole means last point of the earth. Antarctica, the earth is like a huge, you can see on your screen as well, that the earth, the globe is like a huge ball. We call this shape a sphere. It is not quite round but is flattened at the top and at the bottom. Means from the North Pole and from the South Pole it is flattened, as you can see on your screen as well. At the top of the equator, it is North Pole, and at the bottom of equator, it is the South Pole. The North Pole is called the Arctic region, while the South Pole is called the Antarctic region. Now move back to the book, Antarctica and the South Pole. Open your books. Antarctica is a continent at the bottom of planet Earth. The continent and surrounding Southern Ocean are also known as the Antarctic. It is at the bottom of the planet Earth. You can see Antarctica is just at the bottom, right? And the continent and surrounding all around area Southern Ocean are also known as the Antarctic Ocean. What is ocean? The large area of water between the continents is called ocean. Oceans are very big and they join smaller seas together. There are 5 oceans in the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. Okay, so Antarctica has no native people, no native language. It doesn't have any money. Why? Because there's no life, so that's why there's no money as well. Antarctica is bigger than Europe, but not quite as big as North America. Like North America, if largest rank of the continents, if we see according to that, North America comes on the 3rd number while Europe comes on the 6th number. So Antarctica is bigger than Europe. Europe is standing on the 6th number, but it is not quite as big as the North America. North America is standing on the 3rd number. 98% of Antarctica is covered in an ice cap. As you can see the picture on your screen as well, this is the picture, this is the view of the Antarctica, and it is 98% covered in the ice cap, in the thick layer of the ice that is on average at least 1.6 kilometers thick. Not surprisingly, it is the coldest, driest, windiest place on the earth. Going to Antarctica is a bit like going into a deep freeze. Like if you want to experience that how cold Antarctica can be, so just open your freezer and see how much cold that is. So you will just get a bit idea about the coldness of the continent Antarctica. So this was all about our first passage of the unit. Now look at the difficult meanings of this passage. Native, inborn, huge, big, vast or extensive, Continent, landmass are mainland, ice cap, thick layer of ice. Bit means little, surprisingly means amazingly. So it was all about our today's lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe till our next lecture. Goodbye.